Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this OPPO Enco W31. The charging case is not working because the battery is dead, I think. So we have to tear this down and let's see what is the voltage of the battery. If the voltage of the battery is very less, then we have to replace the battery of this charging case. Alright, without wasting any time, I'm going to take out the earbuds here so that we can take apart this charging case. So to do that, we have to take this part here. This is the top case and the bottom case housing, so we have to split it apart. So by slowly doing like this, prying here, it will come out. You can see the click sound. That's it. So that's it. So this is the tear down. So battery is placed here, I think. So all right, let's take out the battery here first by desoldering it. All right, now let's check the voltage of the battery here. So I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here and checking the voltage here. So it is completely dead. 0.02 volts is coming. That means the battery is bad. This has 3 wires here. The size of the battery is very uneven. So alright, let me check the battery stock is there or not. Let me check and come back. So this battery's voltage is 3.7 volts and the capacity of this battery is 350 mAh, that is 1.29 watt hour battery. So the size of the battery is difficult to get. I have equivalent battery here, so you can see here. This is bit smaller battery, so I am going to use 2 batteries here. It is written 350 mAh in this, but it will not come, I think so, because the size of the battery is pretty small. For replacement, as of now the battery stock is not there. This is not that common, but still it is gettable in the market. By the way, I am going to use these batteries, double battery here, but in these batteries there are two wires and the actual battery has 3 wires. So I am going to take out the BMS of this battery and install in this both battery. These both batteries I will connect in parallel and I will install this BMS in these 2 batteries, so that this will be 3.7 volt with 3 wire BMS. So alright, let me take out this. So first I am going to take the insulation tape of this actual battery. So I have taken out the BMS of this battery. So I am going to desolder this and I will take out. Then I will take out this insulation tape. I have to install this BMS in this batteries. So let me take these covers and come back here. Now I have removed the insulation tape and I have removed the battery management system of these 2 batteries as well. Now just I have to take out the actual battery management system of this original battery and I am going to install this. I will remove that and I will show you how to install in this battery. Now I have taken out the BMS from this battery, original battery. So you can see there are 2 terminals. One is positive and the other one is negative. This side is B minus and this side is B plus. So I am going to connect the battery positive terminal, both batteries positive terminal to B plus and both batteries negative terminal to this B minus. So that's it. So I have installed the BMS in this double battery, you can see. So this is the double battery which is already installed in this BMS. So just we have to insulate this and we have to solder these wires to the charging case of this OPPO Enco W31. So let me insulate this. So I have insulated this. Just it's time to just solder these 3 wires to the charging case here. That's it. So please check the terminal before removing the wires. I have tested, I have checked, because if you replace the wires then that may harm this main motherboard of this charging case. So I have noticed where black should go, where blue should go and where red should go. So I am going to just simply solder this. So I have soldered all 3 wires in the motherboard here of the charging case. So I hope this should work. And the voltage of the battery is also good here as of now. Let's check the battery voltage here. So the voltage of the battery here is, let's check. I have set the multimeter to 20 volt DC here. You can see the voltage of the battery is around 3.86. That is fine. So everything is perfect. Now just we have to test it. You can see the light is coming here. So this is perfect. Since this is open, the light is coming. Need to charge. So I will show the charging functionality here as well before closing, because I wanted to test this before closing, because if I close and if we test, then it will be a problem. We have to open it again. So let me take a power bank here. So I have brought the power bank here. So you can see it is turned off. Once after inserting this light should glow automatically, and light should glow in the case here as well. So I'm just inserting here. So light has been started glowing, and you can see it is started charging here. Orange light is coming, so that means the charging case is perfect. And meanwhile, let's check the voltage in these terminals as well for the earbuds. So I am going to set the multimeter voltage to 20 volt DC here again, and the voltage is, yes, you can see 5.09. it is perfect, 100% perfect. And this side it is coming 5.09. and after removing the charging here, let's see the voltage comes here or not. So I have removed the charging cable here. So let's see the voltage in the terminals. Yes, this is perfect. You can see 5.09 voltage is coming. That means the charging case is perfect now, both sides. That is good news. So I'm just, you can see after placing the earbud, now light is coming and it started charging. So this is perfect. Now just we have to do is, like, we have to keep this battery here. Because of the battery size concern, I have used this battery, so this is fine. And before closing the lid here, I want to paste this battery so that it will hold its place in the same position. So I have pasted the battery, and I'm about to close the case here because everything is perfect. So just we have to press like this. That's it, nothing much. Locks are there. So all right, it is closed perfectly. You can see the charging light is coming here. If I place this again, it comes and goes. So the charging case is perfect now. I hope you like the video. If you have anything problem like this, like charging case is not working, the battery is not good, you can send it to me. I can replace it for you. So if you want to send it, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. There are so many videos in this channel which I have uploaded for the different models, so you can go through. So all right, that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below. If you have queries, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching. Bye.